Hello friends, today we will study how to open your Windows terminal always, your command prompt always is in Windows terminal. So let's start. We right click on the start menu and click on the Windows terminal. We get to the Chevron and from this menu we can select to open the command prompt as or PowerShell or Azure or Get Bash or Windows PowerShell. So if we hit the save button, so by default whenever we open the Windows terminal, it will be open as PowerShell as we have selected this one. So I hope you have learned how to open your Windows terminal as in command from PowerShell or Azure or Get Bash using the method which I have shown you. Thank you for watching.